Hi everyone, it's Judy. Today I have an unboxing from the Planner Society. I've had this box for a while, but with vlogmas and everything else going on, the holidays and everything, I have not had a chance to unbox this. So let's open it up and see what kind of goodies. This is a Scarlet line Planner Society. It was a monthly box. She has changed it into a bi-monthly box. So now if you subscribe, you'll be getting it every other month. I actually have my subscription on hold. I'm trying to do a little more digital planning. I was getting too much stuff. And then after I put it on hold, she started the 2-month thing. And I'm like, we may go back to getting it because I like the idea of getting it every other month. But let's open it up. I think this was actually November's box. So let's open it up and see what's in here. I always love the packaging. She takes that design and she puts it into the envelopes, which I think is a really good idea. I get the planner and the washi tape. So that's what these two things are. This would be the planner. Let's open this up first. I'll put the washi tape aside. First off, I am seeing the pen. This is so very pretty, and it's a twist. Okay, I love the pens. I adore the pens, and that she puts them in there every month. Let's see here. This is the washi tape that comes in the Planner Society kit. Let's see. I'm loving, for the winter months, I'm loving these kind of darker colors. So there's this red and black plaid almost, which is really, really popular right now, I know. And then I'm really liking this floral. Let's see what's in this envelope. This glassine envelope. Not sure what it is. I did not see any spoilers. She posts spoilers on Instagram, but I am not sure what this is for. I'm going to have to look and see. These are cool beads. I could think of all sorts of things. I guess you string them to maybe to make like a bookmark. That would be cool. Okay. I'll have to look on Instagram to see. Let's do it differently this month. Let's get the big things out of the way because I am seeing these stickers that I'm absolutely loving. They're in the rose gold and probably can't see with the plastic because there's already reflection, but they're sparkly. Aren't those just... Oh, I love those. Those are great. And again, she does such beautiful work with the backers. You can use this for other projects as well. And this is always the paper. Okay, I have to look at that in a minute. This is always the paper and the vellum. Reindeers. I should have opened this up earlier in December, huh? I guess they can just be deer. They don't have to be reindeer, but it's Christmas time, so we all go to reindeer, huh? I like that print. Okay. Oh, but I love that one too. I hate that I always have to make a choice. Is it going to be this one or is it going to be this one? But she does include 2 sheets, so you can use one of each. Oh, and this. Okay, you're not going to be able to see this. I'll try to. You have all the, this is the vellum, and it has all the Planner Girls on it. I like that. And this is another sheet with the gingham. I guess that's gingham and not plaid. I like that too. this is going to be the acetate. Oh my. Isn't that pretty? Since my table is, here we go. I've got an idea. Here is that acetate. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like that. That is the same design as the washi tape. Oh, that is so pretty. And you can use these to make different things for your planner. That is just really pretty. Okay. And here's that gingham. And then here are the planner girls. Okay, glad I figured that out. Okay, let's get back onto the page. I love roses, and she's always doing florals. I think this is what attracted me to this subscription service, was her love of florals and how she used them. And this isn't something you can find at like Joann's or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I love these designs. And then the gingham on the back. I almost wish that was a fabric. That would be beautiful. Okay, and here's the last two. And roses. I just love these florals. Okay. These are the borders. Aren't they pretty? And they're the same design as the paper. So let's open these up. Oh, and there's stickers. Oh, those will look so... I love these ruffled ones, because these will go perfect at the top of my pages for my planners. Oh, that's so good. So she has the patterned ones from the paper, and then she has solid ones as well. And bows. Oh my goodness, look at the bows. Let's go back to this one first. The solid colors, and then you have the bows. Love that gingham. Those are gorgeous. So here are the planner girls for this month. Let's take a look. Love that backer card. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So I could see there's vellum and paper. Oh, aren't those pretty? See, there's a vellum. And here she's holding the purse and the paper. Here, let me just do it this way. Here's, put the paper here and the vellum over here. Paper. Aren't these girls just pretty? They're all dressed up and ready to do some holiday shopping. I love the looks of the vellum. They're just, that's just pretty. Let's do them there. And then she has the vellum cards with wreaths on them, and then, oh, that's in the rose gold. That is so pretty. Those will look really nice in my planner. Put them all back in the case so I don't see I'm already losing some here. Not quite sure what this is either. It's tied up with a really pretty bow. Is this the... This is note paper. Oh, these are Post-it notes. Did you get a real good view of that? These are actually Post-it notes. I love that. And are these as well? Going to be saving that gingham paper, that's for sure. And these are, I love the longer, the bigger Post-it notes. So that It's perfect. Love it. Oh, and the paper clip of the month is a reindeer with a gingham bow on it. Oh, I love, love, love the paper clips. I have such a hard time finding anything in my journals sometimes, you know, where I write things in. So these are perfect. Let me find. Isn't he cool? I really, really like him. Give you a close-up of him. His little nose. Now, I think I'm going to leave this here so you can see. These are all the die cuts. Oh, and there's vellum in here too. I like vellum. Hello. Oops. Thankful. Cozy. Joy. Hope. Cherish. Love. I must have opened this upside down because they're all upside down. Plan. And of course, Planner Girl. Ah, those are great. So here are all the die cuts. We have, of course, the beautiful roses. Oh, I like this one of the firewood. We have antlers, antler. Move these out of the way. We have the deer. Oh my, love the headband. There's more of the antlers. I'll put him up there. Roses. Oh, really like that one. It's like the setting on my table almost. I don't have a candle in it. And there's some roses. And so we have a fawn and a doe. And then another setting one. Oh, this is so nice. And one that says Winter Wonderland. I really, really like those die cuts. Couple more items here before we get to the monthly washing. And here are two stamps with those two Planner Girls. I love those. I do like to stamp in my planner. And again, one with her purse ready to go shopping and one just waiting for something to do. I just moved over into my new space, so I'm going to be setting up a new file, well, my old filing cabinet that I haven't been able to use because I couldn't move it upstairs. So it has all my file folders in it, so this will be perfect. These are to use on the side of your pages. You fold them in half. And then they're labels. But I think these will look so pretty on my very feminine files. And then she has the labels that you can put on them. Now the last thing before we get to the washi tape is, of course, the stickers. And many of the stickers are the same exact what was in the die cuts. So since I like the die cuts, I know that I'm going to like these stickers. They do have the rose gold metallic embellishments on them, which is really nice. And here's all the girls. Oh, there's 2 pages of the girls. And I love these little sayings. I always go through all of these. She believed she could, so she did. And then there's little labels and more Planner Girls. So that was everything in the planner kit. Now if we look in the washi tape, which is covered in the, let's open this up. I love washi tape. This is from that paper that I liked so much. Oh, isn't that pretty? I know that's going to look beautiful in my planner. And it probably will make an appearance in other things as well. And this has the deer on it. The doe. See that? Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love that she does wide washi. I just, see, that's a good, more than an inch, probably 1.25 inches. Let me take the tape up. Isn't that pretty? Love that. So that was it for, I believe it was November. Whoops, I forgot the pen. Let me know what your favorite item was out of this kit. I think I have to go with the Post-it notes. Oops, and there goes the washi right off my table. I love these Post-it notes. I think they're great. They're going to stay on my desk. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please think about subscribing. We usually do Disney content, but we do other content as well, like this. So please think about subscribing. It'll be down there in that corner. And if you ring the bell, you'll be notified each and every time I upload content. Until next time, go out there and do something great and have a magical day. Bye.